Among all relations, one of the most pious relations is of husband and wife. Very pious relation. Pious relation, this institution of marriage is one of the greatest institution which has produced Bhagwan Shankaracharya, Panini, Patanjali, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Vivekananda. Sannyasis have not given birth to any sannyasis, although they got the credit. And when we live with two people, or if we live with one person, you have to live with his, he gives you something, you also give something. But at times one may find that this person is right here and not right here. There the role comes, and that role is of dharma. There are two kinds of contribution in any relation. One is immediate, other is parlokik. For the distant future, today my contribution is for today, but I am contributing in you so that distant future when I am not there, your body is not there, then also my contribution will have the fruit. Two level of contributions should be there in any relation. One is immediate contribution, other is distant beyond body contribution. To give both the contribution, a person should be a little strong and himself dharmic. If I live with you and I don't contribute to your dharma or bhakti, then it's an incomplete relation. And I will never be having the fulfillment of doing the justice with the role that I got it. No, but how can I tell this? Whatever is there. My lifestyle, my schedule, my sadhana, my words should have so much of power that other person should become a listener if I want to say something. Ravan was a very bad listener, but he listened to Mandodari everywhere. He used to snap in between only. But when Mandodari spoke, at least he heard because of the piousness of Mandodari. Husband and wife don't come together to eat food and to iron clothes and to go out for morning walk and reduce weight. Or go out in the party only. One is cooking food, other is eating. That's not the purpose of that. We are temporary partners to go to the permanent state. I am a facilitator in your life to take you closer to the God. This is the purpose of being together. Husband and wife are going to make the journey of each other beautiful. And the other person should take to the dharma, not to adharma. आप जब तक धर्म नहीं होगा, you cannot be a very good contributor. Person should be such that in my absence also, you will be strong enough to come closer to the God. There will be a time when I will be absent in your life physically. But in that time also you should not be so low and so lost. You have a big support of Lord. And I will be that support. This will be my support. Selfish person can never be good contributor. Angry, egoistic person, he is like a black hole. anything you get lost. He will never contain the gratitude. He will never give you dharma. He will never tell something beautiful. He will never say thanks. I am carrying the load of relationship. That should not be the relation. We are meant here, you have come to me, I have come to you. We are both striving that we should both go and reach the God collectively.